In this presentation, we will explore the crucial aspects of alerting and incident response, focusing on how to proactively monitor your systems and effectively manage incidents. We will discuss the importance of proactive monitoring to catch issues before they impact users, and rapid incident response to minimize downtime and data loss. Let's start with the basics of monitoring. Monitoring is essential for maintaining the health and performance of your systems and applications. There are generally two types of monitoring: infrastructure monitoring, which involves tracking the health of your servers, resource utilization, and network performance. Application monitoring, which involves monitoring the availability of your services, their response times, and error rates. To effectively monitor your systems, it's important to focus on key metrics and set appropriate thresholds. Let's discuss system metrics. We have CPU utilization. You should trigger an alert if it's greater than 80%. Memory usage. An alert should be triggered if memory usage is greater than 85%. Disk usage. An alert should be triggered if disk usage is greater than 90%. Now let's move to application metrics. An alert should be triggered if the response time is greater than 2 seconds. Error rate. If the error rate is greater than 5%, there should be an alert. Availability. An alert should be triggered if the availability is less than 99.9%. Configuring alerts involves defining the rules that trigger notifications when specific conditions are met. On the left, we have an alert rule example. It defines the name of the alert, the condition that triggers it, like CPU usage exceeding 80%, the duration for which the condition must be true before an alert is triggered, the severity of the alert. The configuration elements are conditions, which are the trigger criteria, duration, which is the time threshold, and severity, which defines the alert priority level. The incident response process typically involves 3 key phases. First is the detection phase. This is when an alert is triggered by the monitoring system, indicating a potential issue. Second is the assessment phase. Here, the severity and impact of the incident are evaluated to determine the appropriate course of action. Third is the response phase. In this phase, the mitigation plan is executed to resolve the incident and restore normal operations. An escalation matrix defines how incidents are escalated based on their severity and impact. This helps ensure that critical issues receive immediate attention. We have 3 different severity levels. They are critical, warning, and info. For a critical issue, the response time should be less than 15 minutes, and it requires immediate escalation. For a warning issue, the response time should be less than 1 hour and escalation should occur within 30 minutes. For an info issue, the response time should be less than 4 hours and escalation should occur within the next business day. Establishing clear communication channels is crucial for effective incident management. Different channels are suitable for different types of incidents. Email alerts, which provide detailed notifications with context and logs, are ideal for non-urgent incidents. Slack or Teams are great for real-time team collaboration and updates, suitable for moderate severity incidents. Short message service or phone calls, which provide immediate alerts for critical issues that need immediate attention. After an incident is resolved, it's important to conduct a post-incident review to identify lessons learned and prevent future occurrences. Post-incident reviews has 3 things: documentation, where a record timeline, root cause, and resolution steps are present in an incident report; analysis to identify gaps in monitoring and response, along with process improvements; action items to define preventive measures and system updates, preventing future incidents. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.